How about now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're echoing.
It is. It's gonna pick up on it all.
Would you guys like the rules again, or? Okay, all right. So it begins round 2. Question 1. Autotrophs are consumed by herbivores. What consumes herbivores?
Tail number 4, carnivores.
That is correct. Bonus question. What prefix is used to name the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, or for planets outside of our solar system?
Excellent.
That's correct. Question 2. Many members of the secret Sons of Liberty organizations were also members of the colonial committees of what? Oh.
Oh, sorry. 1. Westfold number 1, representatives.
That is incorrect. We're looking for correspondence.
Oh, was that Lois?
No.
No, it's just-
Amelia should have got the track.
Oh, I'm sorry. You said you just.
Yeah, I think technically that is a rule, like, you can become a different question.
Okay.
But I would use one of the extras from that,
Right,
so you
yes.
don't mess up your.
Okay. And this is just for, I don't know.
This is the concept.
This is a toss-up, but generally only the team that didn't get the chance.
Okay,
And
yeah.
now get the
All right,
chance.
so
And
just-
I'm saying that right. Okay.
All right. Cleanstone peaches and plums have flesh that adheres strongly to the what?
Tail number 4, the pit.
That's correct. Bonus question. The heartland of the world's 8th largest country is a broad, grassy plain, the Pampas. Name this South American country. That's a bonus.
Question.
So I'll reread it. The heartland of the world's 8th largest country is a broad, grassy plain, the Pampas. Name this South American country.
Argentina.
That's correct. Question 3. What simple animals look like plants and live in warm, shallow seas in colonies attached to rocks or other solid objects?
Tail number 4, coral.
That is incorrect. What simple animals look like plants and live in warm, shallow seas in colonies attached to rocks or other solid objects?
Westfold number 3, moss.
That's incorrect. We were looking for sponge. Question 4. I'm just gonna. Which sense enables people to detect a high concentration of carbon monoxide in a room?
Tail number 4, smell.
That is incorrect. Which sense enables people to detect a high concentration of carbon monoxide in a room?
Westfold number 5, sight.
That is incorrect. It's a trick question. None of them. Question number 5. During what general period of history did Europeans do these things? Design a plan for an ornithopter, invent logarithms, create Don Quixote, or first see some moons of Jupiter?
West Holt number 1, Industrial Revolution.
That is incorrect. During what general period of history did Europeans do these things? Design a plan for an ornithopter, invent logarithms, create Don Quixote, and first see some moons of Jupiter?
Helioptile number 2.
The Renaissance?
That is correct. Bonus question. And you can use pencil and paper on this one. A bucket contains 4 red and 6 white golf balls. What is the probability of selecting a red ball on the first green draw? Sorry? That's correct. Question 6. Generally, the paint will be less faded on which side of the building in the northern hemisphere?
West Holt number 1, the Eastern.
That is incorrect. Question 6.
Oh, they get another chance. Read it again.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh,
Sorry.
You said question 6.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's on to the next
Yes,
question.
sorry, that's, yeah. Generally, the paint will be less faded on which side of the building in the northern hemisphere?
Helioptile number 6, the North.
That is correct. Bonus question. In Poe's The Raven, what kind of sculpture depicting the head of the house is just above the chamber door? We're looking for a bust. Question 7. In Ray Bradbury's short story, The Belt, who are the antagonists? We're looking for the children. Question 8. Determine two, hold on, sorry, let me restart there, that was the wrong one. Question 8. The architecture of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. was patterned after buildings found in the ruins of what ancient civilization?
Helioptile number 4, Greece.
That is correct. Bonus question, you are able to use pen and paper. Determine 2 consecutive positive odd integers, the sum of whose squares is 1/3. We're looking for 7 and 9. Question 9. The mutual attraction between particles or objects due to their masses is called what force?
Helioptile number 4, gravity.
That is correct. Bonus question. The name of what character completes this line by Jack Schaefer in a Western novel? Belt and holster and gun, these were not things he was wearing or carrying. They were part of him, part of the man, of the full sum of the integrate force that was life.
Giant.
That is incorrect. We're looking for shame. Question 10. What letter of the alphabet is associated with the Allied landing on the Normandy beaches in World War II?
Helioptile number 4, D.
That is correct. Bonus question. What salutation is commonly used to hail a ship?
Mahoney.
That is correct. Question 11. What is the collective name for these kinds of non-fictional materials used in research? Newspaper articles, court decisions, book chapters, conference proceedings, minutes of meetings, journal articles, and scientific reports.
Westholt, number 1.
Citations.
Sorry, that is incorrect. Question 11. What is the collective name for these kinds of non-fictional materials used in research? Newspaper articles, court decisions, book chapters, conference proceedings, minutes of meetings, journal articles, and scientific reports.
Bibliophile, number 4.
Notes.
That is incorrect. We're looking for references. Question 12. The ancient Sumerians organized sovereign urban areas known as what kind of states?
Bibliophile, number 2.
City-states.
That is correct. Bonus question. Name the smallest and westernmost of Canada's federal territories. That is correct. And that concludes the round. Congratulations, Amelia Field.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Now, there you go. There it is. Yeah, that's back over.
Yeah, they were around at the same time. Just totally 18, so.
All right, everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right. Round 3. Question 1. What piece of American literature is described as a 7-hanky book based on actual events about 2 dogs and a cat who share a dream?
Elkhorn Valley, number 6.
Homeward Bound.
That is incorrect. What piece of American literature is described as a 7-hanky book based on actual events about 2 dogs and a cat who share a dream?
Bibliophile, number 2.
Old Yellow.
Incorrect. We were looking for the incredible journey. Question 2. What word for a tall Cuban drum also refers to a Latin American dance in which participants form a long, winding line?
Elkhorn Valley, number 3.
Conga.
That's correct. Bonus question. Procter & Gamble manufactures consumer goods. Its products are sold to wholesalers that in turn resell products to stores that sell them to individuals. What is the collective name for these stores?
Retail.
That is correct. Question 3. What character in Star Wars says this? Grave danger you are in, impatient you are.
Bibliophile, number 2.
That would be you.
That's correct. Bonus question. The development of what kind of vessels significantly reduced the flatboat trade on the Mississippi River? That's correct. Question number 4. The ancient Egyptians noticed that a certain very bright star began appearing above the horizon just before the floods came. Name this heavenly body, also known as the dog star.
Helioptile number 2, the North Star.
That is incorrect. The ancient Egyptians noticed that a certain very bright star began appearing above the horizon just before the floods came. Name this heavenly body, also known as the dog star. You were looking for Sirius. Question 5. Art focusing on this symbol of love can be found featuring this character riding on dolphins rather than flying with his wings. Who is the cherub-like character with a bow and arrow?
Helioptile number 2, Cupid.
That's correct. Bonus question. Partly as a way of encouraging his troops to remain with him, what Spanish conquistador intentionally sank 10 of his 11 ships before beginning his march into the interior of Mexico? That's correct. Question 6. Name the portion of a habitat that is defended by an animal against others of the same species.
Helioptile number 5,
Territory?
That's correct. Bonus question. What is the conclusion of this syllogism? All cows are animals that love grass. All animals that love grass move. Therefore,
All animals that move are cows.
that is incorrect. You're looking for all cows move.
I don't know why it's not up there. Our school.
Oh, okay.
Got that to move, but then we didn't get back into it.
Oh, so we didn't do the whole last round?
No, we didn't.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. Okay, well, I guess maybe since that's not, he just announce
What the score is?
Is before the round, like before you.
The next question.
Yeah.
Maybe you have to scroll down just a little bit. Okay, so just maybe that the numbers are just a little bit below.
No, they're usually big, yeah. Because you know, like on
Question 5 was.
It was really a big on this one. We haven't picked out the bonus correct.
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, Elkhorn Valley is 15, and Helioptile is 35.
Right?
well, I typed it in there, it came on.
Well, there we go.
So
All right.
I think you have to be, I don't know why it's doing it this way now, but if I was on the screen, it let me take it.
50 on bracket.
I don't know. I don't know if that
We
means
are
a
in
or
bracket
not.
there. So where do we need to be?
Why don't you just keep doing what you're doing, and then I can make that.
Okay.
If that works, and then hopefully Tanya will come back in.
Just not be the first.
I thought we only had 25. 35? Okay, 5.
Helioptile at 25, you said?
Yeah. So let's go back to question 5. What was that again?
Question 5.
Yeah, that was
Oh, Stanley. And they
Helioptile.
also have those.
And they got question 3 of the bonus, I believe. and steamboat, so that would be 15, 30, 35 is correct, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
All right,
Thank you, yes.
round
please.
begins once more. Question 7. Matthew Galbraith Carey and his brother Oliver were in which branch of the military?
Emilio, fail number 2, the Army.
That is incorrect. Matthew Galbraith Carey and his brother Oliver were in which branch of the military?
Elkhorn Valley, number 3.
Maybe.
That is correct. Bonus question. This composer was once far better known as a pianist than as a composer, but he had to give up playing the public in 1814 after premiering the Archduke Trio because he played along blissfully unaware that his piano was very badly out of tune.
Beethoven.
That is correct. Question 8. How tall in feet is a Clydesdale? Oh. Is that okay? Never mind. Hold on 1 second. Let me repeat it. Question 8. How tall in feet is a Clydesdale that measures 21 hands?
Elkhorn Valley, number 2.
That is incorrect. How tall in feet is a Clydesdale that measures 21 hands?
Emilio, fail number 6.
10 feet.
That is incorrect. We're looking for 7 feet. Question 9. Question 9. A person who has been humbled is said to eat what kind of bird?
Elkhorn Valley, number 3.
Sparrow.
That is incorrect. A person who has been humbled is said to eat what kind of bird?
Emilio, fail number 6.
That is correct. Bonus question. You may use paper and pencil. After taking a 100 milligram dose of an intravenous drug with a half-life of 20 minutes, how many milligrams of that drug remains in the body 1 hour later? That's incorrect. We're looking for 12.5.
Score is 30 Elkhorn Valley and 40 Multipurpose.
Oh, that's okay. As long as I'll just
Keep reading.
help you. You're good.
30 to 40.
Or yes.
Question 10. This was a campaign slogan of what U.S. president? Better a third term than a third rater.
Elkhorn Valley, number 4.
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
That is correct. Bonus question. To the nearest minute, how long does it take to, sorry, you may use paper and pencil. To the nearest minute, how long does it take light to travel a distance of 90 million miles? We're looking for 8 minutes. Question 11. What is the only U.S. state that consists of 2 peninsulas?
Elkhorn Valley, number 2.
That's correct. Bonus question, you may use big pencil. What kind of decimals result from converting these fractions? 8/11ths, 25 24ths, 4/3.
Improper?
That is incorrect. You're looking for repeating decimals.
Score is 40-40.
Question 12. It has a shallow circular body with a parchment belly, a long neck, 4 long strings, and 1 shorter string. Name this instrument often used by folk music and bluegrass groups.
Number 2.
The banjo?
That's correct. Bonus question. This is from a folk song about what creature? The next time I saw him, he was running a spinning wheel. The next time I saw him, he was riding in an automobile. A looking for a home, just a looking for a home.
Repeat that, please.
This is from a folk song about what creature? The next time I saw him, he was running a spinning wheel. The next time I saw him, he was riding in an automobile. A looking for a home, just a looking for a home. That is incorrect. You're looking for oil. And
So, Elkhorn Valley is 40 and Neely Oakdale is 45.
that concludes the round. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Guess I figured out.
Go the other direction.
You go get it.
You got this.
I think the problem.
Everybody,
There's your on. And now scroll down. There you go. Scroll down. Yep. You got up there and then your finger. Yeah.
I think it's the.
It should not be.
There's a scroll bar on the right. Oh, a little bit down. There you go.
Merry Christmas. That was oh my God.
Oh, you got it. Yes.
There. Woo. There you go. Now.
Just enter our score to see if we can get anything going here.
Oh.
No, but we may not be in the right spot. What did you need to click on to make that happen? Where did?
I don't know, I just, I actually fixed it. So it's not letting me do anything anymore, or what?
Well, it's not showing.
I mean, I
If you put like,
5 up there.
It's
It's
not
not showing.
What if you press enter?
yeah, I have to hit enter.
No.
No? So, but it will let you see it in the bracket?
Yeah, there's it right there now.
Are we supposed to be in multi?
But it's going to use this part.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well,
well,
you
you,
know,
It's.
oh, well, I can do it on here, I can't do it.
that's fine. If you do it on there, I will keep on much, and I'll put it on there, I don't know, I thought. I'll text her.
It's probably something simple that we're doing.
Well, I don't think so, she was doing some coding stuff that I.
I think I'm ready.
All right. Ready, everyone? All right. So begin round 4. Question 1. If a train collides with a car, it is more likely to be deadly for those in the car than those in the train, because the train has much more what?
Westholt number 3.
That is incorrect. If a train collides with a car, it is more likely to be.
Whoop, sorry, we have to wait to be called.
We were looking for mass. Question 2. After its first successful testing, what president wrote, "We have discovered the most terrible bomb in the history of the world"?
Westholt number 1.
That is incorrect. After its first successful testing, what president wrote, "We have discovered the most terrible bomb in the history of the world"?
Arlington number 1.
That is incorrect. You're looking for Harry Truman. Question 3. On oceanographic maps, isobathygrams are lines showing depths of water with equal what?
Westholt number 1.
Depths.
Sorry?
Depths.
That's incorrect. Question 3. On oceanographic maps, isobathygrams are lines showing depths of water with equal what?
Arlington number 6.
That's correct. Bonus question, you may use pencil and paper. If the crest of an ocean wave moves 25 meters in 5 seconds, the speed of this wave is how many meters per second?
5 meters per second.
That's correct.
Score is Arlington, Newcastle 15. Westholt 0.
We'll just keep it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 4. While cheetahs are carnivores and wildebeests are herbivores, what are anteaters?
Arlington number 2.
That's incorrect. Question. While cheetahs are carnivores and wildebeests are herbivores, what are anteaters?
Westholt number 3.
That is incorrect. We're looking for insectivores. Question 5. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles?
Westholt number 1.
Maryland.
That is incorrect. I'll repeat the question. Wilbur and Orville Wright formed a company in what state to sell bicycles?
Arlington number 3.
Pennsylvania.
We were looking for Ohio. Question 6. What is the doctor asking you to do when he says to assume a recumbent position?
Arlington number 3.
A comfortable position.
Okay, sorry, we're gonna have to go. Let's hold question 6. What is the doctor asking you to do when they say to assume a recumbent position?
Westholt number 5.
Like to lay back.
That's correct. Bonus question. A monarch's reign is usually for what length of time? A monarch's reign is usually for what length of time? We were looking for light. Question 7.
Let me get the score.
Yeah, the score
sorry.
is West Holt 5, Hardington, Newcastle 15.
Question 7. Two lines with what property will have congruent corresponding angles if they are crossed by a transversal?
Article number 2.
That's correct. Bonus question. The U.S. supported a revolution in what Central American country in 1903? We were looking for Panama.
Score is 20 Hardington, Newcastle, and 5 West Holt.
Question 8. According to a tale by Charles Perrault, Fatima was briefly married to what wealthy aristocrat?
Article number 3.
Is it that critical?
That's incorrect. I'll repeat the question. According to a tale by Charles Perrault, Fatima was briefly married to what wealthy aristocrat? We were looking for Bluebeard. Question 9. This is about whom? He became the century's measure of individual evil, not only because of the carnage in camps like the Shao, but also because he invented a new form of systematic malignment.
Article number 6.
Adolf Hitler.
That is correct. Bonus question, you may use pencil paper. The perimeter of a regular heptagon is 177.1 centimeters. What is the length of a side? The perimeter of a regular heptagon is 177.1 centimeters. What is the length of a side? We're looking for 25.3 centimeters. Question 10. What zodiacal constellation has the same name of a powerful? Sorry. Oh, okay. Question 10. What zodiacal constellation has the name of a powerful feline?
Article number 2.
That is correct. Bonus question. Sabuks, Pupuks, Drogons, and Clogs are examples of what? Choose. That is correct.
No, it's okay.
Yes, they go. Score is Arlington, Newcastle 35, West Holt 5.
Question 11.
We get 40. We have 40.
Looks like 35 to me. Let me go through it question by question. They got question number 3 correct, but missed the bonus. Oh, yeah, and got that bonus, that'd be 15 points. And then question 7, they got that correct, but they missed the bonus. Okay, and number 9, they got that correct,
But then just the bonus.
I missed the bonus.
Oh, this is-
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so then, yep, then they got question number 10 correct, and they got the bonus, so that is 40. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. Question 11. Name the largest polar desert.
And then number 2.
That's correct. Bonus question. 38% of the population have which most common blood type? Oh. I'm sorry, we're looking for O positive. Final question, question 12. Its weave is either plain or lino, from silk for dressing trimmings, but from cotton for its most popular use. What is the name of this light fabric used for surgical dressing and bandaging wounds?
Arlington, number 2.
That's incorrect. I'll repeat the question. Its weave is either plain or lino, from silk for dress trimmings, but from cotton for its most popular use. What is the name of this light fabric used for surgical dressing and bandaging wounds?
Westhold, number 5.
Polyester.
That is incorrect. We're looking for gauze.
45 to 5, that is correct.
That is correct. Congratulations, Mark.
Just curious, so the way the bracket's set up, the weekend is done, and we still have 2 more rounds. I mean, are you okay with me taking the parties from Newcastle and your town going to the Legion? And we're just basically doing round 5, round 6 at the same time? Is that right for you guys? Because they're not doing anything over there, and then we're just kind of continuing. Okay. Okay, but there are other rounds happening right now, so you know what, we can actually swap these words in one. Is it raining very hard? I guess it isn't about rain, but I don't think Be careful!
Good, good. All right, good. Still have minutes.
It's coming, you're getting there, okay. Go over to the sidebar. Now you've got it again. There you go. Oh, you almost had it. It was visible for a second. Huh? There you go. Keep going. There we go. Keep going, keep going. All right, now maybe click and then go over to the sidebar to scroll. Or just go over to the sidebar and scroll. There you go. Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa. Okay,
Oh.
now we've got Elkhorn Valley and West Polk is who we're looking for. There we go.
Wonderful.
Wonder if I just do this. Yes. No, that's-
Oh.
I should charge this.
There you go. That was good enough.
Yeah, that's fine.
That
You
works.
can tell.
Can you guys tell?
Yeah.
There we could too, maybe tell. I don't know if the numbers will come up. Okay.
All right. So
All right,
there
so
you go.
it's just-
Let me just see if something shows up. No?
But we're not in the bracket thing here. We're not
Uh-oh.
in our.
Maybe
we're not-
undo is a. Right up. What's that? Go this one. Here.
That's right, go ahead and go into, yeah. Like,
There's that.
we'll announce the scores
Yeah.
as they go.
All right.
Do you have them on here? We don't have them on.
Yes.
D, B, W.
Everybody ready? So begins round 5. From the starboard side of your vessel, you can see the coastlines of Sierra Leone and Liberia. What body of water is off to your port side?
West Holt number 1.
The Pacific Ocean.
That's incorrect. I will repeat the question. From the starboard side of your vessel, you can see the coastlines of Sierra Leone and Liberia. What body of water is off to your port side?
Elkhorn Valley number 3.
Atlantic.
That's correct. Bonus question, you may use paper pencil. One angle of the right triangle is 43 degrees. What are the measures of the other two? We're looking for
47. 48.
Too late, because that's already on. Sorry.
you're looking for 90 and 47. Question 2. What synonym for school is shared by the special military educational facilities near Colorado Springs, Colorado, and at West Point in New York, and at Annapolis, Maryland?
Elkhorn Valley number 3.
Camp.
That is incorrect. I'll repeat the question. What synonym for school is shared by the special military education facilities near Colorado Springs, Colorado, and at West Point in New York, and at Annapolis, Maryland? You're looking for
West Holt number 1.
Sorry, you're looking for academy. Question 3. What is the country of origin of the popular enchilada?
Elkhorn Valley number 2.
That's correct. Bonus. These questions were asked about what vessel in the second decade of the 20th century. Why was it steaming through an ice field at 23 knots? Why was the rogue iceberg not spotted sooner? Why was a ship capable of holding 3,500 people have lifeboats for just 1,178?
Titanic.
That's correct. Question
Score
4
is Elkhorn Valley 20 and West Holt nothing. Correct?
Question 4. In which cardinal direction would you travel to go directly from Kampala, Uganda to Khartoum, Sudan?
West Holt number 1.
Northwest.
That is incorrect. Good question. In which cardinal direction would you travel to go directly from Kampala, Uganda to Khartoum, Sudan? Who's been talking?
Elkhorn Valley 3.
Northeast.
That is incorrect. We're looking for just north. You guys were both close. Question 5. These are characteristics of what place in Asia? It was ceded to Britain in 1842. It was occupied by the Japanese in World War II. In 1997,
West Holt number 1.
France.
that is incorrect. I will repeat the question. These are characteristics of what place in Asia? It was ceded to Britain in 1842. It was occupied by the Japanese in World War II. In 1997, it was restored to China.
Elkhorn Valley 3.
Prussia,
Sorry, you're looking for Hong Kong. Question 6. It ranges up to 1,600 kilometers in width and extends from Iceland to midway between Africa and South America. Name this enormous marine topological structure.
West hole number 5.
The Mariana Trench.
That is incorrect. I will repeat the question. It ranges up to 1,600 kilometers in width and extends from Iceland to midway between Africa and South America. Name this enormous marine topological structure.
Elkhorn Valley number 3.
Mid-Ocean Trench,
Repeat that.
Mid-Ocean Trench,
Okay. Sorry, you're looking for mid-ocean ridge. Question 7. Name the first work of the popular fantasy quintet by Lloyd Alexander about the imaginary land of Prydain. You're looking for the Black Cauldron. Question 8. This is about what device in modern cars? Exhaust gases flow through a honeycomb of materials. The honeycomb is coated with a thin layer of precious metals, usually platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which trigger chemical reactions in the gases.
West hole number 1.
The engine block.
That's incorrect. I will repeat the question. This is about what device in modern cars? Exhaust gases flow through a honeycomb of materials. The honeycomb is coated with a thin layer of precious metals, usually platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which trigger chemical reactions in the gases.
Elkhorn Valley number 3.
transmission,
That's incorrect. We're looking for catalytic converters. Question 9. In what state are these cities? Las Vegas, Roswell?
West hole 1.
Nevada.
That is incorrect. Question 9. In what state are these cities? Las Vegas, Roswell, Artesia, Socorro?
Elkhorn Valley 3.
Arizona,
That's incorrect. We're looking for New Mexico. Question 10. What name for microscopic, score.
Elkhorn Valley is 20, West hole 0.
Question 10. What name for microscopic one-celled life forms means first animals?
Elkhorn Valley number 6. Nico.
That is incorrect. I will repeat the question. What name for microscopic one-celled life forms means first animals?
West hole number 1.
Plankton.
That is incorrect. We're looking for protozoa. Question 11. Which is the northernmost of the Great Lakes?
Elkhorn Valley 3.
Superior,
That is correct. Bonus question. Name any of the 3 words in the preamble of the United States Constitution that have plurals formed with the letters IES.
happiness,
That is incorrect. You're looking for tranquility, liberty, or posterity. Final question.
Score is 25-0.
On question number 12. These are lines from what dystopian novel? A book is a loaded gun in the house next door. Who knows who might be the target of the loaded man? Those who don't build must burn. Do you ever read the books you burn? Remember,
Oakland Valley, number 6.
Fahrenheit 451.
that is correct. Bonus question. This is from what trilogy? The three rings for the elven kings of the sky. 7 for the dwarf lords and their halls of stone. 9 for mortal men doomed to die. 1 for the dark lord on his dark throne.
Lord of the Rings.
That is correct.
Final score is 35-0. Elkin Valley.
Congratulations, Elkin Valley.
I think. I think Elkin Valley has 115 points. Is that what you have?
Yeah.
I think that's part 14.
Interesting. This is page. And 6 starts with 7. So. Yeah. Assume so. Right. I guess I'm not sure.
We're getting good.
Yeah, I don't understand. I don't know.
See, this is.
Know why it's not working. And now it's really, it's all huge now. Good thing we're little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, this is trying to see that. Delete something. Oh, are they using? Oh, yeah, they're using ours, so that's on their side. Okay, look at her. Get out of there.
They're like, "Well, what's happening right now?"
There was a problem, no kidding, I agree.
Boy, that's good on their end. They'll figure it out. They'll figure it out.
I saw that we had I mean,
Oh, right.
right now.
We are live.
ready?
Yep.
So begins round 7. Question 1. What characteristic of the circle can be obtained by multiplying 2 times the radius of that circle by 5?
Play view number 3.
The diameter?
That is incorrect. What characteristic of a circle can be obtained by multiplying 2 times the radius of that circle by 5?
Helio, fail number 4.
Circumference?
That is correct. Bonus question. Sometimes a space shuttle had to land somewhere other than the Kennedy Space Center. For its trip back to Florida, it was bolted to the top of what model of aircraft?
P-52.
That's incorrect. We're looking for a Boeing 747. Question 2. Which term used in art refers to a technique of showing distant objects on a 2-dimensional plane as they might appear to the eye?
Helio, fail number 6.
Perspective.
That's correct. Bonus question. Name Bob Cratchit's scribbled son in Dickens' A Christmas Carol.
Oh, I
That's correct. Question 3. What accidental lowers a natural note by a tone?
Helio, fail number 2.
That'd be a flat.
That is incorrect. I'll repeat the question. What accidental lowers a natural note by a tone?
Plan view number 2.
sharp.
That is incorrect. We were looking for a double flat. Question 4. What would be the weight of a 100-pound object if it could be placed at the Earth's center?
Helio, fail number 2.
100 pounds.
That is incorrect. I will repeat the question. What would be the weight of a 100-pound object if it could be placed at the Earth's center?
Plan view number 3.
50 pounds?
We were looking for 0. Question 5. On which continent is the Cotopaxi volcano?
Helio, fail number 2.
Europe?
That is incorrect. I'll repeat the question. On which continent is the Cotopaxi volcano?
Plan view number 1.
Asia. That's incorrect. We're looking for South America. Question 6. Name the symbol used in musical notation to indicate the position of the scale on the staff.
Can you repeat?
I do not. Unless it's a bonus.
Plan view number 2.
We're looking. Yup. Repeat the question. Name the symbol used in musical notation to indicate the position of the scale upon a staff.
Helio, fail number 6.
The key signature.
That's incorrect. We're looking for a clef. Question 7. Although it is the 15th most populated country in the world, about 99% of its people live in about 5.5% of the land. Name this arid world country.
Amelia, O'Dell, number 4.
Afghanistan?
That's incorrect. I'll repeat the question. Although it is the 15th most populated country in the world, about 99% of its people live on about 5.5% of the land. Name this arid world country.
Thank you, number 1.
Russia. We were looking for Egypt. Question 8. With respect to arthropods, long flat bodies are to centipedes, as long rounded bodies are to what creatures?
Amelia, O'Dell, number 5.
Millipedes?
That's correct. Bonus question. Although people often use the words click on it, the correct word used for choosing something if you are looking up how-to directions is what single word.
So,
That's correct. Is this score?
The score, yeah, I mean, it's accurate. I
Okay,
need to.
just making sure.
Yes, I just need to add what they just earned.
Right. Question 9. Many state and local governments have laws and ordinances regulating people who carry guns beneath their clothing. What adjective applies to such weapons hidden from view?
Amelia, O'Dell, number 4.
That's correct. Bonus question. You can use pen and paper. On every shovel selling for $40, the storekeeper lost $8. His rate of loss on the selling price for this merchandise was what percentage? That's incorrect. We're looking for 20%. Question 10. The name for what modern corporation comes from that of very strong women warriors in Greek mythology? We were looking for Amazon. Question 11. Name either preposition used in similes.
Amelia, O'Dell, number 5.
That's correct. Bonus question. What important vitamin that most people get from fruits have the Inuit people traditionally obtained from sources like caribou liver, kelp, and whale skin? That's correct. Question 12. What cells of the eye are responsible for color vision?
Amelia, O'Dell, number 2.
the retinas?
That's incorrect. I'll repeat the question. What cells of the eye are responsible for color vision?
Thank you, number 6.
The cortex?
That's incorrect. We're looking for codes. And that concludes the round. Congratulations, Mila.
And then they actually, but it's my paper. That's what our superintendent wants to. But it can be- This is the one.
Same question for everybody.
I mean, we're in the next, go back to the sheet.
We'll go back to the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you that. So,
Yeah.
Hey, I have some questions that I didn't get it. No, like, it's supply my son all the time. I'll give you some money if you want.
This meeting, are we finished?
I think we're done. If I'm reading the bracket correctly, but I don't trust her.
Right, I was-
Thank you so much for all of your help today.
Are they doing finals in?
Emily.
Okay, I'll watch.
Nice talking with you guys. Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you finally.
See you next year.
Yeah,
Good luck at school.
thank you. Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah, you should be.
Oh, should we get mute again or something?